Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I did go ahead and use this palette from Hipdot. It's their Ouija board palette. I love this thing. I think it is so stinking cute. So here's what the inside of the palette looks like. I tried to use a couple of different shades. So like I used these two, I used the black, I used this neutral shade, and then the green and the glitter, and a little bit of this one. And I also highlighted with this one. So yeah, I ended up using a lot of the shades in the palette. I really like the way this look turned out today. I am really tired. We are having a lot of issues with the ceiling in our bedroom. So last week we had someone come and start it. I think it was supposed to be the week before. They didn't end up coming till Monday. They worked from Monday to Wednesday, and that was it. So our ceiling right now, it has like the insulation up, but there's no drywall, there's no nothing. We don't even have the ceiling fan hung. So I had to find someone else to come and finish it because the other person just didn't even want to finish it at that point. So luckily we had only paid for the cost of materials at that point, so we weren't out any labor costs for a project that didn't get finished. But the new crew is coming on Monday, and it's going to be 2 gentlemen. It's going to cost $750 to finish the ceiling after everything. I'm just really ready for that to be done because we've got our bed in our daughter's room and she can't even like play with her toys because there's just no room in there. It's just sad. So I'm ready for our house to be back together. And yeah, it's been a stressful couple weeks to say the least. Other than that, I'm gonna go ahead and just jump in this video. If you'd like to see how I created this look, then just keep watching. Alrighty guys, so that was it. I did forget to mention whenever I was doing my intro that I used the cake liner palette from Morphe. Yeah, so I'm definitely gonna try this a couple more times before I give my opinion on it. I struggled a little bit today, but I think it's just because it was a new product I've never used before. Like, I've never used a cake liner, so I kind of gotta figure that out a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and end this here. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to like and subscribe so you can see future videos I'll be posting multiple times a week here on my channel. Yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.